Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Ripple is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, guys, still using the fibs. They go all the way back from February 15, 2020 to March 13's low. Yep, that's it. So we finally broke the 61% retracement, and let me tell you, I was watching, this last few days, this right before the break, so all these days right here I've been watching that very closely, and then I swear when I'm sleeping on the wheel this happens, boom, and now we're starting to have a little bit of a pullback, which is fine. I think I'm gonna be looking for a little bit of a bigger pullback for me to look to add. Same thing here, guys. I mean, I do have a very long-term position on this, so I am not getting out, but I also have another pot where I'm getting it out to make some shackles in the meantime while we wait for the bigger position to play out exactly how I want it to. Same thing, I was looking to add in the retest of the 200-day moving average, and then I swear the days that I'm busy, I'm not paying attention, boom, and then this happens. So then I'm going to be looking for a pullback to the 25-cent mark or so, and then for me to be looking to add to the position. By the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're going to help out the channel reach 7 billion people. I mean, the two guys that trained me always said, make sure you take somebody under your wing like we are, and here I am with the YouTube channel trying to help everyone make some shackles. And if you get anything useful out of this video, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make shackles like you're making shackles. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button and pulverize that like button. That being said, let's move this fibs a little bit right here, guys. So I'm still using the March 13th low, but let's use the swing high of August 17 of 2020. So if I'm using that swing high, that's kind of why we're stopping where we're stopping. Yeah, not about there. So that's why we're stopping right at this 78% retracement, so 28 cents. If we break above the 78-cent mark, and then I'm gonna be looking definitely to play some positions, play out a bit, start adding to this position again. Now the only thing that concerns me, guys, is Ethereum, Bitcoin is currently going down. Go and check out that video if you guys play with alts. I'm a firm believer that when Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin, the alts rally. And right now it's kind of like the opposite right now. So that's my only concern with the alts at this particular moment. So we just have to be very, very careful, because all of a sudden we can just have a massive pullback. Do I see it likely? It could happen, but not very likely. We might have just a drift lower, guys, and that's going to make the 200-day moving average catch up to the 61% retracement, or the 24-cent mark, and then if it's hugging right there, and definitely that will be a good entry point to add to the position, because we do definitely have a lot of potential for this to play out. Now, as it sits, but this definitely needs to play out soon, because the more the more it waits, the less likely it will happen, because the pattern gets destroyed. So now, this looks shoulder, head, shoulder. So if this plays out and we go all the way up to 34 cents, that will be your neckline, or so, 34 to 32 cents, around there. Then bada bing bada boom, this could definitely move all the way to 60 cents in no time. So this has a lot of potential to go higher. We just have to wait. I mean, the Bitcoin is starting to rally like crazy, so if we get a massive round from Bitcoin and then all of a sudden we get a little bit of a pullback, and then that will leave all the alts to rally like crazy. So just keep that in mind, guys. Also, you guys requested a private chat, so we do have a private chat available now. It is a paid chat. I'll put it down in the description below, Easy Crypto Pro. But if you need somebody to be holding your hand at all times, that's where you want to be, because you're gonna have me tons of hours during the day. Unless I'm sleeping, you'll have access to me. So just keep that in mind. Easy Crypto Pro. If you need somebody to hold your hand, we're posting daily over there, posting daily setups. So keep that in mind. So let's just do a little bit of recap. I am looking for a pullback for me to place a position, preferably about 24 cents, because and then the 200-day moving average will be hugging this that 61% retracement, and then that's where I'm looking for. I don't see this moving massively lower, but we do have to be careful because Ethereum, Bitcoin is currently going down. If we break above the 78% retracement, so 28 cents, and then I'm just going to start looking to add it, because we're probably not going to go down to 24 cents. So just keep that in mind, and then your next target will be 34 cents. If we pass the 34-cent mark, and then bada bing bada boom, we're going to make a lot of shackles in the meantime, because this will be an inverted head and shoulders. We're in a downtrend. That's usually the trend is shifting, and bam. So like I said, guys, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.